Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Chackbay local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking to move into Chackbay, Louisiana? Great choice. The rest of this article will explore one of the best Chackbay movers in the city, 3 Movers. We're a team of experienced moving experts looking to provide the best moving solution for you and your family whenever necessary. Hiring 3 movers for your move within or outside Chackbay will help you with many benefits. We'll explore our services extensively in this article, highlighting why you should hire us. A local move means you're moving from a place in Chackbay to another place not so far away, either within the city or its outskirts. The first thing to consider when choosing Chackbay local TM movers is the neighborhood experience. A clear understanding of Chackbay will make moving within the city easy. If you hire 3 movers, you won't have any issues. Our local movers know every location within Chackbay. This will help you save time by finding your home quickly, escaping peak traffic, bad roads, and other challenges. Another benefit of hiring 3 movers is the affordable pricing. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chackbay moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.